just to be honest with you. Sige,
I was there kasi yun sa Emerald Gate. The video you saw po is marami na po nakalampas. Pinalampas namin kasi akala namin basura. Nakalampas din. Na-found out po namin basura sa ilalim po. Yun po yung mga hukay-hukay po nila. Yun po yun. Kaya gusto namin ma-stop, ma-check po. Secondly po, sa basement po kasi, I want to disabuse the mind of General Torre po na parang nagre-resist kami. Wala daw sila magawa po search. Mali po yun, isa lie. Pag once i-cordon po nila lugar, wala po kami magawa. Like the basement po.
Correct.
Yes po, wala kami magawa.
We have complete control of
Yes,
the whole
kaya nga po,
compound.
mali po yung sinasabi po niya.
Dahil gusto nila na aside from the visual search na ginagawa nila, gusto pa nila ng how do you call that search na gagamit pa sila ng mga technological search to determine heartbeat and life beneath the ground. Yan ang gusto nilang gagawin, which is, I think, as far as serving a warrant of arrest is napakalayo na. Napakalayo na yan. Napakalayo na. But anyway, they insist. Continue, General Torre.
Thank you, sir. That's why